Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this Sourog RV roof sealant tape. This is 4 inches wide by 50 feet long, so you get lots of coverage here with this tape. It also comes with this nice rubber roller, and this allows you to firmly press the tape on, ensure there's no air bubbles in there, and ensure you get a nice tight seal. So I really appreciate them adding this along. Here is the tape itself. It's got some weight to it because there sure is a lot of it. This is puncture resistant, weatherproof. It is low temperature and high temperature proof. It'll have a solid seal no matter what. You can use this on your home, you can use this in your RV, which is what it's made for. You can use it on a boat, you can use it on windows. Pretty much anywhere where you need to make sure that the elements stay out, you can use this. And here's what it looks like as you unroll it. So it's got this layer here. You need to rip this off first, and then you reach the sticky part. And this is super sticky, as you can see. So you won't have to worry at all about this becoming undone. Just go ahead and cut a piece off. So very easy to cut. So I got my piece I want right here. I'm gonna go ahead and lay it down on my desk, nice and flat. Take my rubber roller and smooth it down. As you can see, I could take it off, doesn't leave anything behind. Also super sticky. It's also very thick as well, so you know this has some nice insulative properties. Overall, highly recommend this. Thanks for watching.